More than 25 Jacksonville businesses have been hit hard, what police are calling a BB gun bandit of all things. KTK's Tori Bean was in Jacksonville all day long reporting and has what police are doing right now to bring these people into justice.
Police Chief Joe Williams says this is a hard case to crack. Without cameras pointing directly at every window, there really isn't a way to tell when the incidents happened.
Again, with this type of crime, there's not really a lot of evidentiary value left after the damage has occurred.
They say the car is driving by while someone inside opens fire. The BB gun bandit has been a problem for a month now. Right now, the damage done totals up to more than $20,000.
When you open up, please check your storefronts to make sure that if there is damage and immediately report it. So I think some of the damage that's occurred, because it is picking up some steam as far as newsworthiness, and people are checking more.
The Cherokee Crime Stoppers is offering a $500 reward to anyone that has information that can provide a lead. Jacksonville businesses are also offering their own rewards. Dyer's premium portable buildings and more have been hit twice, and each window cost them $1,800 to fix. Now they're boarding up their windows every night, just in case. Tori Bean, KTK News.